Assalamualaikum, dear students of class 4. It's me, Naila Khoso, and today we are going to learn your subject Social Studies. Students, this is our very first video of your subject Social Studies, and here is your book. You can see in the picture. The book you are using this year will be Paramount Social Studies for book 4. Okay, so we are going to learn this book throughout the year, and I hope you will learn a lot from this book. So let's start our first chapter of this book. So have a look at which is the first chapter of the book. The first chapter of the book is the universe and the solar system. Universe and the solar system is going to be your first chapter of the book. So let's have an introduction that what actually is this universe and the solar system. Before starting our chapter from the book, first let's have a look at this short animation. Students, what can you see in this animation? You all can observe that in this animation, in the center, there is a large, a ball-like structure, and there are several many others objects revolving or traveling around this object. You can see that the object in the center is much more brighter, and around it are traveling different objects of different sizes and different structures, different colors. What are these objects and what is the object in the center? The object in the center is our sun, and the objects that are revolving around are called the planets. Okay, so this whole thing, for example this sun and all the objects that are revolving around the sun, these are called a solar system. Okay, what is the solar system? A solar system means the sun and all the objects that orbit around the sun. यानी कि sun और उसके गिर्द घूमने वाली तमाम चीज़ें, तमाम ऑब्जेक्ट्स, इनको क्या कहा जाता है? That is a solar system. Okay, the sun is in the center and it's standing on its position, whereas all the planets are revolving around the sun continuously. This is our solar system, and today we are going to learn in our first chapter about this solar system. Okay, let's come to the book now. You can see in the book, chapter 1, the universe and the solar system. First of all, let's come to first topic, which is the universe. The universe consists of billions of galaxies and a lot of empty space. No one knows how big the universe is. One of these billions of galaxies in the universe is our galaxy called the Milky Way. It contains our solar system along with billions of stars. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि यूनिवर्स क्या है भाई? हमारी जो यूनिवर्स है यानी कि पूरी कायनात, इट हैज़ बिलियंस ऑफ गैलेक्सीज. इसमें क्या है? करोड़ों गैलेक्सीज एंड लॉट ऑफ एम्प्टी स्पेस. बट वेट, व्हाट इज अ गैलेक्सी? डू यू नो व्हाट इज अ गैलेक्सी? A galaxy is a collection of millions of stars. यानी कि जो एक गैलेक्सी होती है उसमें मिलियंस ऑफ स्टार्स मौजूद होते हैं. So one galaxy is equal to millions of stars. Okay. And the universe has about billions of galaxies. The name of our galaxy, यानी कि ऐसी गैलेक्सी जिसमें हमारा सोलर सिस्टम है, उसका नेम क्या है? इट्स नेम इज मिल्की वे. मिल्की वे इज द नेम ऑफ आवर गैलेक्सी. हमारी गैलेक्सी जिसमें हमारा सोलर सिस्टम है, जिसमें हमारा ये सूरज है एंड हमारी अर्थ है. The solar system, our solar system contains the sun, 8 planets, many moons, asteroids and meteoroids. What is in our solar system? Sun, which is the center object. Have a look at this picture. Sun, the central object of our solar system. 8 planets. You know the names of 8 planets? If yes, then well and good. If not, we will read them in our coming video. Many moons. You all must have seen a moon in at your homes, at the night especially, right? बहुत सारे moons होते हैं. Asteroids and meteoroids. Now, asteroids and meteoroids are also the objects that orbit around the sun. But both of these objects are smaller than the planets. Okay, these are also the solid objects revolving around the sun. Okay, revolving around the sun. But these objects, asteroids and meteoroids, are smaller than the planets. Okay, now you know what is the solar system. As we have discussed earlier, solar system means the sun and all the objects that revolve around the sun. It contains 8 planets, many moons, asteroids and meteoroids. Okay, the sun, the first object in the solar system we are going to study is the sun. The sun is a big star. You all know that sun is a star, right? Don't you know that? Sun is basically a star, but it is much more brighter and bigger. Why it looks brighter and bigger? Because it is very close to our earth as compared to other stars. यानी कि अगर सन ही एक स्टार है तो हमें ये इतना बड़ा और इतना चमकता हुआ नज़र आता है, जबकि बाकी स्टार्स जो होते हैं वो छोटे छोटे नज़र आते हैं. क्यों भाई? बिकॉज सन जो होता है बाकी स्टार की बनिस्बत हमारे ज़्यादा करीब है, हमारी अर्थ के ज़्यादा करीब सन है. इस वजह से सन जो होता है हमें क्या नज़र आता है? हमें ज़्यादा ब्राइटर और ज़्यादा बिगड़ नज़र आता है दूसरे स्टार्स से. इट इज़ सिचुएटेड एट द सेंटर ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम and is responsible for providing heat and light to all 8 planets. Where is the sun in the solar system? It is in the center of the solar system. And what does it provide to all planets? Heat and light. You know that sun gives us light and sun also gives us heat, right? To all the 8 planets. यानी कि ये सन की वजह से होता है कि हमें लाइट मिलती है और हमें हीट मिलती है. अदरवाइज इफ देयर वाज नॉट सन वी कुड नॉट गेट द लाइट एंड देयर वुड हैव डार्कनेस ऑल अराउंड एंड देयर वुड बी नो हीट, एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड ऑन द प्लैनेट if there was no sun. But fortunately we have the sun, so we have the light and we have the heat. It is over 100 times bigger than the earth. कितना बड़ा है अर्थ से? 100 times. यानी कि 1 sun is equal to 100 earths. Combine 100 earths together, then you will get 1 sun. 100 earths जमा कर लें तब जाकर आपका sun बनेगा. It is located at a distance of approximately 150 million kilometers from the earth. Okay, कितना distance है अर्थ से? 150 million kilometers from the earth. अर्थ से 150 million kilometers दूर है कौन? सन. 150 million kilometers है, ठीक है. 1 किलोमीटर आपको पता है कितना होता है? 1 किलोमीटर में कितने मीटर्स होते हैं? You know that? 1000 meters equals to 1 kilometer. Okay, now 150 million kilometers away from the earth is the sun located. Now you know that. What is the role of sun in our solar system? Let's come to the next topic, which is the moon. Let's have a closer look at the picture. In this picture you can see here is the earth and this is the moon. Now what is the moon? A moon is a smaller body that rotates around the planets. You all have seen the moon at night, right? It looks shiny and it looks beautiful, doesn't it? And I hope you all love the moon, or you call it Chanda Mamu, right? Okay, so let's read about the moon. A moon is a smaller body found with a planet. किसके साथ होता है भाई? Moon is a smaller body. किसके साथ मौजूद होता है ये? Planets के. It is a satellite. What is a satellite? Satellite is any object, anything that orbits around a planet. What is a satellite? A smaller object orbiting a planet. यानी कि एक planet के गिर्द घूमने वाली एक smaller object, एक छोटी चीज. So moon is also a satellite, and remember, moon is a natural satellite. Why we say that moon is a natural satellite? Because, as you know, in today's world there are thousands of other artificial satellites that are orbiting the planets, and these artificial satellites are made by the humans, by the scientists, okay, and this natural satellite is made naturally by God. So let's continue. Most planets in the solar system have their own moons. Earth is the only planet with one moon. Some planets have over 60 moons while some have none. यानी कि अर्थ के पास सिर्फ एक मून है, कुछ प्लैनेट्स के साथ तो बहुत सारे मून होते हैं. जिस तरह किसी के पास तो 60 मून्स भी हैं. Just like Jupiter have lots of moons. Our moon is approximately 384,000. Our moon is approximately 384,000 kilometers from the earth. It rotates around the earth while rotating on its own axis. यानी कि मून जो होता है अपने एक्सिस पर भी, अपने ऑर्बिट पर भी, साथ साथ अर्थ के गिर्द भी घूमता है. ओके, इट कंप्लीट्स वन रोटेशन इन 1 month's टाइम. यानी कि मून अपने ही ऑर्बिट पर, यानी कि अपनी ही जगह पर मूव करता है इन 1 month's टाइम. द मून हैज़ नो लाइट ऑफ इट्स ओन. The light that we see is a reflection of sun's light on it. Moon has no light. Moon के पास light नहीं है. Then why does it shine? क्यों shine करता है moon? Do you know that? I hope you know that moon has no light of its own. It reflects the light of sun. यानी कि जो sun की light जब moon पर पड़ती है, then it shines. Okay. American astronauts landed on the moon in 1969. They discovered only mountains, craters, and flat plains and did not find any water or oxygen on the moon. यानी कि Americans जो थे astronauts means the scientist who travels the space. Okay, those scientists who travel the space on a spaceship. Okay, they landed on the moon in 1969. And do you know the name of the first astronaut who landed on the moon? If you do not know, then I will tell you. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon in 1969. And you know what did they saw on the moon? They saw only mountains, craters, crater means गड्ढे, and flat plains यानी कि एक सीधे से मैदान, and did not find any water or oxygen on the moon. यानी कि साइंटिस्ट को मून पर कोई भी ऑक्सीजन या वाटर नज़र नहीं आया, जिसकी वजह से मून पर वो सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते. यानी कि आपको पता है लिविंग थिंग्स ओनली सर्वाइव वेयर देयर इज़ वाटर और ऑक्सीजन. बोथ आर वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर लाइफ. So there was no water or oxygen on the moon. Okay, students, our first lecture ends here, but our chapter is still remaining. We will continue this chapter in the next video. Till then, you have to learn this lesson till moon properly. And students, your homework is to, as you have watched the video, so from this video you have to find out the definitions of solar system, galaxy and satellite. Okay, write down these definitions on your rough copy and in a very good handwriting memorize these definitions, and then send a picture of your homework on this WhatsApp group. I hope students you will learn these definitions, and also if possible make a diagram of the sun and the moon as well, right? So wish you good luck. We will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and good luck.